1933, Germany rises from years of despair. A new leader promises unity, jobs, and pride. For ordinary people, life begins to feel hopeful again. Streets once silent now echo with laughter and ambition.
The voice on the radio unites millions. Promises of strength and renewal fill the air.
Change sweeps through every street. New buildings rise. New rules shape daily life.
By 1936, unity transforms into movement. The nation marches forward trim, full of discipline, purpose, and belief.
Daily life carries a spirit of confidence. For many, these years feel like progress, a promise finally fulfilled.
But behind the growing pride lies structure, control, order, and silent fear.
1939 calm. Whispers of war reach every doorstep. Hope turns to uncertainty as Europe trembles once again.
September 1st, 1939, Nalek. Germany invades Poland. The world's deadliest war has begun.
In a single year, Europe falls named. One nation after another.
At home, families struggle. Food is scarce, yet hope.
Summer turns to winter standing. The Eastern Front becomes a graveyard for thousands.
In the early 1940s, thousands are relocated from their homes. Hope mixes with fear as journeys.
In hidden rooms, whispers become prayers. Diaries become the last voice of the condemned.
June 6th, 1944, D-Day. The tide of war begins to turn.
1945, the empire falls. What was once power and pride now lies in silence and dust.
When the gates open, the world sees the unthinkable. The war ends, leaving cities quiet and hearts searching for peace. The silence tells its own story. Years later, old films still speak, reminders of lives once lived and lessons never to be forgotten.